Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the device, OS, and which app blocks screenshots. This narrows options. Next, enable developer options or get admin access so you can inspect policy settings. Use a log capture or read the exact error to identify the security policy name. This tells you whether it is device-wide, app-level, or enterprise-managed. Once done, make sure you have backup of settings and a secondary account if changes lock you out, because reversing policies may require credentials. You now inspect the mechanism enforcing the block, app flags, mobile device management rules, or OS-level restrictions. If it's an app flag like Flag Secure on Android and you control the app, remove or conditionally disable it. If managed by MDM, edit the policy in the console to permit screenshots for your user or device group. Use ADB for local testing or the MDM policy editor for managed devices. Make sure to apply changes to the correct target so other users remain unaffected. Finish by restarting the app or rebooting the device so policy changes take effect. This clears cache settings that still enforce blocks. Then try capturing screenshots and review system logs to confirm the restriction is lifted. If it still fails, make sure an administrator hasn't enforced a higher-level override. Check for recent app updates reintroducing the flag, and confirm you edited the right profile. One troubleshooting tip: temporarily create a new user profile to see whether the block.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.